What's happening, everybody? How you doing? Boys and girls too. Now, you probably asking, what was that all about? I'm gonna tell you right now. If you're selling a house, make sure you got a stack of cash on the side so you take a long vacation. It depends on how long you're able to sell your house. Okay? So this is what happened. So I'm home. Of course, I have an agent that's showing people and tell people, well, the agent knows that my house is for sale. It's on the market for sale. And the agent is bringing tons of people to the house, in and out, in and out. It's like Chinatown, as crowded as that. A store, a little store in Chinatown selling Gucci or whatever. So now, when it comes to open house, it's outrageous. You got people in and out, strangers. That I don't know where these people come from. They're looking for a house. So, but anyways, I had enough. But thank goodness, the good news, not the best news yet, is the house is under contract. There's a family that are interested in the house, and they signed the contract, so they're gonna go out and get mortgage approval. That means, the bank is gonna give them the loan, so they will have a mortgage. Then they'll be able to find a house. Now, once the bank approves their mortgage, now I'm gonna have to wait more time, which is the closing. So, not the best news yet is at least the house. I don't have visitors anymore just to come look at the house. Strangers come through here, Yeah, so that's the good news. The good news is I don't have any more visitors. The house is under contract until if the buyers is not approved for the mortgage, then we'll go back to showing the house again. But right now the house is under contract, so we're just waiting for the approval from the bank for the buyer, and then we'll still probably another 2-3 weeks to wait for the closing date. Once the closing is done, I hand the keys, I'm out of here. So that's what that was the whole thing. Almost 2 weeks that I had to go through. People in and out, all the noise. I was going nuts. And well, you know what? If you like crowds and you like noise, then you're fine. You're fine being over here. When you got people showing the house and in and out and all that. But if trust me, after a few days, you will have enough. You'll be like, you know what? Give me the most money you got, and you know what? You can have my house. But anyways, I like to thank everybody for viewing the video and coming to my channel. And if you like the video, you know what? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is gonna be if you've seen the video before this one, you know that this is gonna be a great adventure ahead of my wife and I. And we selling the house. The first step was to get everything into storage and then sell the house. Then we'll go from there. So anyways, if you like to follow my adventure and what we're doing and how you get things done, if you're in the same situation or whatever, you never know. I would never think that something like this that's gonna happen, but it started. That's probably I'll have another video why this is going on. But you know what? It's subscribe to the channel and follow our adventure and see what's going on. Hopefully you'll learn a couple things or two or three things, whatever, until the next video. And I'll have more news for you guys and something to follow up. Also, if you have any comment, advice or anything that to encourage what we going through or whatever, anything, just say hi, put it in the comment down below, and I'll answer you. I definitely will. Okay, thank you very much again. I really appreciate it. Oh, and also, by the way, the beginning of the video with the drone footage, that's from footage of a drone that I've recently upgraded. I probably have a video just on the drone alone the next time when I find some time for you. Okay? Thank you for visiting. I really appreciate that.